The Lake Union building is a 90,000 square foot office building. Even though it was built in 1970, it has good bones. The idea was to reposition the building really for the next 40 years.
This is a 46-year-old building, so they really wanted to upgrade and modernize the building to compete with the booming tech sector that dominate the real estate space in this area. So choosing a glass that spoke to innovation, to creativity, to technology, and also allowed a connection to the outdoor natural environment, to the lake, was hugely important in that decision making. We really needed to attack the envelope in a way that would allow us to trap heat in the winter and keep heat out during the summer.
The temperature was constantly a battle. Our heating and cooling in this building was nonstop, depending on what season it was. As soon as that sun came out, our AC would go on and would not stop. It wouldn't be able to catch up to it.
In the summer months here, which are some of our best, most beautiful months out of the year, blinds are down. View removes all of that barrier and allows you to really enjoy the natural setting that the building is set in.
It's a different building because what we were also able to do was remove all the blinds. Now we have a much better view. It's a much more open building, much more light comes into the building. It's night and day.
The temperature has been so much more regulated. The customers and the clients that we have come in enjoy the space a lot more. It's very intuitive and easy to modulate the windows, and they respond fast. It's added a lot of value to our lease, and I would imagine us signing now longer, and we can enjoy more of what we're paying for, which is the view.
I wouldn't be able to sit here in front of this window and have this conversation with you if the sun was out right now. That heat was so intense, you would have to step out of it.
Being able to reduce energy use through efficiency, that's a big deal, really big deal for a building that historically had struggled with its energy efficiency. And we're now 3 or 4 months into having view glass installed, and the building is now eligible for its LEED certification. This glass is transformative, and it is the future.